Hey YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. In this one I'm going to be teaching you all about pipes, adding parameters to pipes, and chaining pipes together. So right here I have some text on a web page which says Tyler's birthday is on Sunday, May 15th, 2005, and we have all this extra information that we don't need. So right here in the app component.ts file, I define birthday as a new date of 2005, May 15th. Now what we can do here is we can actually transform the data inside of a template expression. As you can see, birthday is inside a template expression, and we can transform it by adding the pipe symbol right here. And after the pipe symbol, you have to specify which pipe you want to use. And in this case, I'll use the date pipe. And I'm going to be teaching you about a lot more pipes soon, so get ready for that. But here's the date pipe, and now if I save, you'll see that the data was actually transformed into a simpler version. It says Tyler's birthday is on May 15th, 2005. Now, what if I wanted this to be even shorter? What if I just wanted a numbered version of the birthday? Well, I can add a parameter to this pipe, and I can say short date, and if I save this, it'll say Tyler's birthday is on 5/15/05. Now, what other pipes are there? A common pipe is a currency pipe. So I could say Tyler has 15 and right now it says Tyler has 15. So how do I add a currency to this? Well, I could simply use the currency pipe. And now it says Tyler has $15. Now how about I add some parameters to this? What if it wasn't actually dollars, but he had euros? I could add a colon and then put EUR for euros. And there we go. Tyler has 15 euros. There's also an uppercase pipe. So if I write some text and I put this in a template expression, I can convert all of this text to uppercase. And you'll see this is all uppercase right now. And similarly, there's also a lowercase pipe. Now let's say I had a number like pi. So I had 3.14159.2, I believe. And let's say I had pi. I could add the number pipe, and I could specify a decimal. So I could say 1.0-2, and I press save. This will lower it to the first two decimal places. Similarly, I could do 3, and it would be 3.142. Next, we can use the percent pipe. So let's say I had something like 66, and I wanted that to be a percentage of something. I could simply write percent, and you would get 6,600%. If it was 66 out of 100 though, I would get 66%. So you could put any data value here. So let's say you had data dot some value. This obviously is nothing for now. You could show the percentage of that out of 100. Now let's move on to chaining pipes. So when would you need to chain a pipe? Well, let's go back to the birthday example. And let's remove this short date. I could also add uppercase. Now it says Tyler's birthday is on May 15th, 2005. So just like that, you can add as many additional pipes as you want. You can chain pipes together and it'll work just fine. And that's basically going to wrap up everything you need to know for pipes so far. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make custom pipes, so make sure to subscribe so you can see that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.